Hi everyone. Want to build a website super fast? No coding? No problem. In this video, I show you how to create a professional food website in just 2 minutes using Gemini AI. Let's go. I'll take a food restaurant slash blog website as an example. Watch as I give the prompt, and Gemini starts generating the code instantly. Once the code is ready, simply click the Create button. We have a web page option here, just click it. The coding is automatically generating. You can copy this code and paste it into VS Code to publish it. And here, we are showing you the live preview of how the website looks. How the website looks. See how quick and easy this is? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech tips.